Welcome to Questrade. In this video, we'll show you how to place and review equity and ETF orders on Questrade Edge Mobile. To get started, open the Edge Mobile app and log in. By default, you will be on the Positions tab. At the bottom, you'll see a quote search bar. Enter the ticker symbol of the stock or ETF you're interested in. In this case, we'll use Apple as an example. Stocks displayed are for illustrative purposes only. To place an equity order, get started by tapping the green trade button in the top right corner. You'll then be presented with an order entry screen. At the top, you'll see the price it's currently trading at just beneath its ticker symbol. There will also be a dollar amount and a percentage beside its price. These numbers represent the amount that the price has changed from the previous day's close. This screen allows you to place a variety of orders. For this video, we'll focus on purchasing a stock. Below this, you'll see the bid and bid size for the stock, as well as the ask and ask size. Below this, you will start your order. First, you must indicate whether you want to buy or sell the stock. If you wish to sell shares of Apple stock, you tap the Sell button. Next, you can choose what kind of order type you'd like to place. By default, you will be on a limit order. The most common choices are market and limit orders, but you also have access to stop orders, stop limit orders, and more. Please note that, depending on the order type you choose, more fields may present themselves. For this video, we will continue with a limit order. After selecting your order type, you can choose the quantity of shares you would like to order. Next, you will be given the option to set a limit price. A limit price sets a restriction on the maximum price to be paid. If the order is filled, it will only be at the specified limit price or better. After selecting your limit price, you can choose the duration of your order. The duration determines how long your order will be valid for. If your order is not filled or executed by the end of the duration, your order is automatically canceled. Day or good till canceled are the most common choices. You can learn more about order durations in the link in the description below. Under order durations, you can choose which exchange your order goes to with the route dropdown. It will automatically be set to auto, but you can tap it to choose specific exchanges such as the NASDAQ or ARCA. Depending on which route you select, you may also be given the option to set a sub-route if applicable. Beneath the order entry details, you can also access bracket orders, which are good for simultaneously setting exit orders to execute when a stock reaches a certain price to lock in a profit or limit a loss. You can see the description below for more information on bracket orders. Make sure you've selected the account you'd like to trade in, shown at the bottom of the screen, then click Send Buy Order. If you are creating a sell order, the button will read Send Sell Order. You will be presented with an order confirmation screen, where you can review the entire order. Hit Send Order to submit the order to the market. To review any orders you've already placed, close the Stock Quote screen and select the Orders tab at the bottom of the main menu. You will see the total equity in all your accounts at the top, plus any open orders you currently have below. First, you'll see a toggle between viewing your open orders and your executed orders. Open orders are orders you've placed but have not yet filled or executed. While executed orders are filled and complete, they will be reflected in your account's positions. You can adjust the view by tapping the icons to the right of the toggle. The square icon toggles full screen mode. Rotate your phone to landscape to take advantage of the extra screen real estate to view more information. The middle icon toggles the detailed view on and off. Detailed view includes information such as the order's ticker symbol, status, action like buy or sell, and quantity. Tapping this icon again reverts that information into a small, consolidated paragraph that details the order type, duration, and the date it was placed. Last, the icon on the right with 3 dots allows you to group underlying symbols, or sort your orders by symbol. Below this area, you will see a drop-down menu that says Open Orders. You can use it to also view executed orders or all orders. If you want to review your executions, you can tap the Executions button on the toggle near the top. Using the drop-down below the toggle, you can view your executions from today, 5 days ago, all the way up to 90 days ago. We hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of placing and reviewing equity orders on Questrade Edge Mobile. For more information about our Edge Mobile app, please check out the other videos on our YouTube channel.